Bangaliana with Potol Posto. For the recipe, we need potol or pointed gourd. Peel it and prick it with a fork. Don't throw away the peels. Add little bit of salt so that the water is drained and then fry them later. They are crispy and really delicious with dal. Marinate the potol with oil, salt, haldi powder and red chili powder. Fry them in 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in medium-high heat till golden edges. When the potol gets slightly golden brown, strain it out and keep it aside. When frying potol, if the oil gets too black, change the oil and continue the recipe, or else you can also continue the recipe in the same oil. For posto bata, we need 4 tablespoon posto, 2 tablespoon chal magoj and 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Grind it dry, then add little bit of water and 2 green chilies and make a paste. And you have posto bata. Don't throw away the extra posto in the mixie, add little bit of water and keep it aside. Now, heat up a kadai and add 1.5 tablespoon sorshe tel and temper some spices. We will add 2 dried red chilies, 1 elach and half a teaspoon of kalo jire or black cumin seeds. When the tempering crackles, lower the heat, add half a tomato cut into wedges and saute for a minute. When done, add the posto bata and cook in the oil in low heat. If the temperature is too much, the taste of posto will ruin and you will not get the same aroma and flavor of posto. So always cook for less time and in low heat. Cook the masala in low heat for 2 to 3 minutes and then add the potol and continue the process. Add 1 to 2 slit green chilies. You can add more according to your taste. If the masala becomes too dry, add little bit of water. Here my masala is cooked, so I will add almost 1/3 cup of water mixed with the rest of the posto so that I waste nothing. Simmer it for another minute or 2 till right consistency. When the oil comes on top, add salt to taste and half a teaspoon of sugar. Check the seasoning and cook for another minute and turn off the gas. Finish it off with a pinch of fresh black pepper powder and toasted Shahi Jeera powder. And let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. And our potol posto is ready. Just before serving it, add little bit of kacha sorsher tel or mustard oil. This will enhance the flavor of the dish as well as give it a complete Bengali nostalgic taste and mouthfeel.